Hello, beautiful people. How are you all doing? This is Bhumika Manoj Chandiramani from Kirti Tarot Angel and Consultancy and Classes. So, here we come up with the daily tarot for you all. Please choose your card along with the reading of the crystal, the bracelet, what we have placed it here. You can choose the pile number 1, the pile number 2 and the pile number 3. The pile number 1 has a rose quartz bracelet which is very good and it has amazing vibrations. If you are connected to this crystal, please choose that and go ahead with the reading for that. And this is pyrite crystal, the pyrite bracelet, highly energized and very powerful. If you are connected to take the reading from this, then you can pick it up the pile number 2. Coming up to pile number 3, if you are connected to lapis lazuli, the crystal of communication, the crystal of the throat chakra, if you are connected to take the readings from the pile number 3, you can choose your card based on that. Alright, so how you are going to do that? For that, take a deep breath, breathe in, breathe out, center yourself and visualize the card which is getting drawn to your intentions, and based on that you can pick it up the card for yourself for the reading, and that card will definitely resonate to you in that way. Alright, so let's begin up with the pile number 1 of rose quartz bracelet and the reading for them. Lovely. Here the page of Raphael is come, that is gentle, loving, dreamy, open-hearted, a new emotional situation, messages regarding relationships or social invitations, great intuitive insights. So when Archangel Raphael comes in the card and he says in the card, this means the one who are waiting for the love to come back, or the love is got angry, or the love is gone far and you are waiting for some news to come, then you can expect the news is going to come within this week itself, and you are definitely going to get a positive message. Also, if any of the health issue is there, this is the time when things are going to get better. Regarding health issues, please don't ignore things, even if it is small things. You think that it is a very small, minute thing and you are taking it lightly, but you should not, because somewhere for the future it shows that it will give some insights. So please don't take your health lightly, work upon your health very well. Also it shows if you are thinking to start a business or doing a job, it is advisable to take a quick action now. You need not have to wait for other person to bring the opportunity for you, because the opportunity you will have to get up and get it happen. Coming to the house thing, it seems to be the relationship in the house. It will be very good and things are going to be wonderful. Your relationship with the family is going to give you a wonderful connection. If you are having some kind of disturbances among you and the family, then don't take it lightly. Go and clear your misunderstandings today itself and
If you are taking care of your health, it will be very good for you. So follow your health and just take care of your health very well. Also, coming to your career part, it shows that your career is getting you more opportunities, more ideas. If you are thinking of changing a job, this is the right time. So another 15 days are your favorable timings when you want to change your job or you want to achieve something new. So please go ahead and do it. It shows from the card is that you can wear the rose quartz to express yourself, be it emotionally, be it love wise, be it your family, be it your friends. Love, self love, rose quartz bracelet will always help you to express it out, be it with your boss, be it with your friends, be it with your colleague, be it with your relationship. Don't forget to express your feelings very well. So do that, it will be very, very helpful to you. Alright, so let's see what is the card for the one who have chosen pile number 2. Great, so this is King of Gabriel, generous, inspirational, dramatic, driven. So here the message for you all is keep your eyes on the big picture, leave the details to others' experience that leads to success, genuine concern for others. So this card is saying that now that you have expressed your emotions, now that you have expressed your feelings, it is the time for you to take further step. Let this journey move ahead. Let this journey go to a proper destination, and once you reach to the destination, think of much more higher things, bigger things, because this is not the only thing that you have to think up to that level itself. You need to think bigger, you need to think higher for you to grow further about it. This card is for the one who are thinking about the love or the expressing your love to your spouse. Now that you have expressed your feelings to your spouse, take your spouse out for dinner, take your spouse for a vacation, take your spouse for a, it has been that you have not taken your spouse out somewhere, so spend some quality time with your spouse and see what is her what she is expressing to you or he is expressing to you. Give your quality time and see and understand the emotions of your spouse. See to it that you are giving a quality time to your spouse. Take a take your spouse for the weekend and see what is the feeling for the spouse for you. Also, if you have expressed your feelings to your loved ones, wait for the response from their side and see and respect their emotions as well. Coming to health, it seems to be the people who have chosen the card number 2 or the pile number 2, they are very active people and they are taking care of their health very well already. They are just good diet conscious people. Either they are working hard, either they are doing an exercise, either they are concentrating and taking care of their things in a different way. So it is a wonderful card for the one who have chosen for the health. And coming to the career, this is the time for you to choose big. This is the time for you to decide big things. It has already been a long time that you have been in the same direction. Now is the time for you to go ahead further and move ahead with a new designation. it is showing that this designation is definitely going to take you higher, and you are definitely going to progress, and also it shows that the success is waiting for you. The people who have chosen this card, pyrite crystal is giving a message to them that if you are working hard and if you are already giving the best to your career and making money and business, so this is the right bracelet for you to wear it, because this will always take you to your higher dimensions towards your career, your business, your opportunities. So this is the wonderful bracelet or the crystal for removing out the negativity, for removing out the blockages and attracting money and prosperity towards you. Okay, coming to the pile number 3. Let's see. Lovely. This is 7 of Raphael. The message for the pile number 3 is time to make a decision, be clear on what you want and take action, a need for detoxification. So here the people who are, let's see about the relationship first. So the card says that your relationship till now has been very complicated and very problematic. So this is the time for you to take quick action and work upon your relationship much more better. Pay attention. It is no more same yet. You need to see to it, what is it that I need to repair? What is it that I need to pay attention on? What is it that I need to work upon my relationship better? So express, sit and understand. Give yourself some time. Understand the emotions and clear the misunderstandings, because you cannot carry on with the relationship with lots of misunderstandings. Clear your misunderstandings. Alright, so coming to the health, this is the time for you to detoxify your issues. Go and talk to the doctor. Go and talk to the therapist. Go and take a professional help. Go and talk to the tarot card reader. Bring your emotions out. Sit and take a counseling. See to it that you are understanding what exactly has happened, which is not letting you take steps further. So better sit and discuss something, what is bothering you, with a professional, with a counselor, with a tarot card reader, with angel therapist, so that angels can help you by solving your issues. Coming to your career, the career is showing a big shift, a beautiful shift. It is showing now is the time for you to take action, and there is another opportunity waiting for you. So please go ahead, choose the best opportunity for yourself. There is something which is waiting for you to take you to a higher success, to take you to a higher energies, higher vibrations. Also see to it, make sure the people who have chosen pile number 3, healings are very important for you. Don't take healings lightly. If you are already taking healings, don't think that it is not working, because it has its own time period to work upon us. And the people who have chosen the lapis lazuli bracelet or the lapis lazuli crystal, this is going to help you to improve your communication skills. This will help you to increase your throat chakra. This will help you to connect with Archangel Michael. Also, this will help you to be more positive, to be more expressive, to be more clear with whatever you want to send a message to anything. With this, we complete So, with this, we complete our today's readings. For that, I would request you all, please like, share, follow, subscribe my YouTube channel, my Facebook page, as well as my Instagram page. Thank you. See you all tomorrow. Sayonara.